So a big question that's on a lot of people's minds lately is, are we applying AI fast enough to get productivity gains? Are we investing in the right AI solutions? It's a shifting landscape. Are we using the best toolkit out there? Should we be using something else? I have several browser tabs open with OpenAI and ChatGPT 4.0 and DeepSeek and Claude, and I'm always comparing results with different LLMs to see which are better, and the benchmarks are always changing too. So how do you kind of stop and say, well, is this worth investing in right now? And how do we operationalize this? So to help with that, we believe it's good to have a framework. And that framework for us, we call it the AI multiplier. Now, what this means is it's pretty simple. You capture your baseline of different variables. And those variables are velocity, efficiency, and quality. And those are going to mean different things depending upon the process, depending upon the specific industry. They could mean a variety of things. We tend to understand them in terms of software development, though, so they make sense that way. We know what velocity is, efficiency is your throughput, and quality is essentially the amount of defects. So it's like a negative there. And you basically roll them up. It's multidimensional, and you get what we call the multiplier. There is a slight issue with this that we have to resolve for software development because you may have, again, quality, escape defects. You want those to decrease, not increase. By adding these together, we simply change our equation to invert for efficiency and quality in the cases where we're looking to decrease the amount of time or decrease the amount of defects, and we get the same result. So in this sample, we do our calculation, we find our multiplier is 1.5. That means we're improving productivity in general by 50%. Now, there are different metrics that we use in software development in general. Some of these are DORA metrics, some of these are standard sprint metrics, but we can classify these, generally speaking, into these different categories, run this equation, and see for which part of our software development process or which part of our, in general, what we do in our organization, where are we getting the most impact? We might find that some tasks are easily handled by LLMs and you get an immediate productivity gain, whereas other tasks are more ambiguous, a bit less black and white, and you may get different results each time you prompt or each time you feed it input, and those might get a lower multiplier on productivity. When we expand that, we can talk about even different industries. And this is very much a sample and aggregate, but we could think about this in terms of processes in different industries where you're going to get a bigger bang for your buck in terms of your return on investment. So just wanted to share this. It's helpful as a heuristic. It can help think about where we want to start operationalizing the use of AI in different processes.